Most meme coin traders do not lose because of the market. Okay, most traders do not lose because of the market. They lose because of themselves, and that's honestly just me keeping it genuinely real. Okay, that's not an insult, but it's just reality. Meme coins are very volatile, yes, but volatile alone does not destroy accounts, okay? Self-sabotage does. Self-sabotage does. Overtrading does. Your mentality does, okay? Let's break that down and see how it actually happens. When you trade, here's how it's gonna go. Step 1, you're gonna break your rules after one good win, okay? There's gonna be one of the biggest traps ever, and whatever it may be, you're gonna catch a solid pump. It's gonna be 20%, 40%, maybe even 100%. I don't know, maybe even more, right? But now your confidence spikes up. You think that you're the man or the woman, or you think that you're this macho person, right? Suddenly you increase your position size, all right? Then you loosen your stop loss, right? Then you enter earlier than usual, right? Then you didn't change your strategy. You change your discipline. Okay, and when you change your discipline, the market's gonna change up your account in not a good way. One win turns into like what? Overconfidence in a way, and then overconfidence turns into like an oversized risk, and then oversizing your risk just turns into losing more most of the time, and majority of the time that's how you give it back. All right, now then 2, all right, the fear of missing out. Let me paint this other picture, okay? You see a coin that's like pumping without you, it's going up or whatever, but instead of accepting it, in a way you feel behind. You see a higher price, you enter later, worse structure, no real plan at all. And then you're not entering because it's a setup. You want to make money more than you want to have a plan to make money. And then I'm not gonna lie to you, 9 times out of 10, the market is going to show you why you should have picked the other option. 3, for the love of God, do not tie your identity to your trades. Do not tie your identity to your account. You are not the market. You are a whole other person, okay? When most people trade, they feel like, I don't know if I'm wrong, okay? I could be wrong here, and I don't necessarily know how everybody trades. I'm not everybody, I'm my own person. But majority of the time, when at least people who have been around, when they're on the markets, they feel like they are a part of the market now. They're not their own person. They're a part of trading, right? When they make money, they feel good. When they lose money, they feel like they lost, right? But that's not the case, okay? You didn't lose. You just lost a trade, all right? You're gonna bounce back. I blew $500 on one singular trade Friday, and then I made $800 in one trade today. So it's like, dude, you're gonna make your bread back, but you just gotta be patient, and then you gotta have a mentality. You gotta realize, all right, if I make this much, I'm done. If I lose this much, I'm done. You cannot have trading become personal at all. And look, if I could give you some homework to do, track your behavior, set hard limits for yourself, and then follow the same rules, same days, and then you're gonna get the same results. Whether it'll be good, it'll be learning, it'll be good and bad. You're gonna get the same results, and you're gonna get good results, or at least you're gonna get better results than you would be before. I teach a whole bunch of stuff like this inside of my free Discord. If you want to check it out, it's the link in the description. It's a free Discord for people who want to actually learn how to get a good mentality when you're trading, because majority of people are good at 50% of the stuff, and that's the strategy. But if you're not good at the other 50%, you'll never be profitable. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't see anybody ever teaching stuff like this. So you're completely welcome to check it out. So the link is in the description. And yeah, I'm done yapping your boats off. I hope that you guys learned something. This is probably my last video for the account. Tough.